Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be showing you how I made a beautiful fascinator using a woven round mat adorned with a stunning rose and feathers. Let's dive right in. We begin by wrapping our Alice band with a pink bias ribbon. Put a dab of glue on the Alice band and bias ribbon and begin to cover the Alice band with the ribbon. When you are done wrapping, put the Alice band through the web and tie at 2 points. Ensure it is positioned as you like. Using your fishing line, go ahead and tie the 2 pieces together to secure them. You may also apply a line of glue to the back side, then place the Alice band onto the glue, ensuring it is positioned securely and aligned as you desire. You can put it on a dummy or put it on your head to ascertain the spot you want it to be. Continue to wrap with the fishing line to secure it. Now, after that is done, you want to burn the cut ends of the tied fishing line. Be careful not to burn your hands. Burn them carefully and put them together. This step is optional. Next, position the feathers and the rose. Then, apply a generous amount of glue to the Alice band and the bottom of the rose and carefully place it onto the thread. Then position the 2 feathers behind the rose, slightly overlapping. Press firmly to secure the attachment. And that's it. Thank you for joining me today and learning how to create this beautiful fascinator. I hope you enjoyed this craft as much as I did. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more creative projects. Stay tuned for our next exciting DIY adventure.